There's so much about this Click and Grow garden that I love. First of all, if you don't have a green thumb, don't sweat it. This is so easy. You just plug it in your house, put in the seeds that you want, and they grow super fast. What I love is that people are not touching my herbs. So even if you buy things organic at the store, you still have to worry about who's handling them. This all is from the comfort of your home. Not to mention the lights. The lights just feel good to the eye. It just plugs in right here. But, if it's dark outside, especially during the winter, it's so nice to have like a fresh garden growing in your house. Just something about that makes it feel like it's spring all year long. It's really beautiful. And the other thing that I really like about this, have you ever been cooking something and the recipe calls for just a couple of leaves of sage or, some type of herb? You have to buy the whole thing and you only use a couple of leaves. With this, you can just clip a few off and they keep growing. I also love the fact that it can be managed by your phone so you can kind of see what's going on. It's just an incredible concept and we are so glad that we got it.